What's up guys, Major Math with another video on fluid mechanics. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments, and if you're having trouble with other problems, I've attached my email in the description, so please feel free to reach out. Without further ado, let's get started. Question 2.32 in the textbook says if a liquid has a specific gravity of 1.7, what is the density in slugs per cubic feet? What is the specific weight in pounds force per cubic feet? Our goal is to find the density in slugs per cubic feet and the specific weight in pounds force per cubic feet. Okay, and we're just given the specific gravity. So specific gravity equals 1.7. Okay, so what we need to know is we need to know how to find density, we need to know how to find specific weight, and we need to know the formula of specific gravity. So specific gravity, we find it on the textbook, table F.2, specific gravity right here. Specific gravity equals density over the density of water at 4 degrees Celsius. So I'll write that down. And then you can also get from the textbook that 4 degrees Celsius, the density of water is 1,000 kilograms per meter cubed, right? Okay, we also need to know density, or that's how we're going to find density. And then we're going to need to know what specific weight is. So specific weight is density times gravity. Okay. So we need to rearrange this so that we solve for density. So density will equal specific gravity times the density of water at 4 degrees Celsius, which is 1,000 kilograms meter cubed. So that will equal, if you just plug in 1.7, we'll just cross that out, put 1.7. Our density of this liquid will be 1,700 kilograms per meter cubed. But it wants us to do it in slugs per cubic feet. So we gotta get this conversion table out. The conversion table tells us that if we look at the mass, which that's what slug is, 1 kilogram is equal to a slug divided by 14.59. So let's use the grid method here. Times, so we know that 1 kg, 1 kilogram is equivalent to a slug divided by 14.59. So that will cancel these out, and then we'll be left with slugs. And then we're going to want to cancel this cubic meters out and get it to cubic feet. Pull out this chart again. We look at volume. 1 cubic meter is equal to 35.31 cubic feet. So want this cubic meter to cancel out, and that is equivalent to 35 feet cubed. Again, these are just fancy ones because with these units, these are completely equivalent to each other. So this is basically essentially just 1 divided by 1. So when we multiply it, we're not actually changing the value. And we cancel these meters cubed out. And then once you put it in the calculator, we get that this is equivalent to 0.30 slug feet cubed. Okay, now we have to find the specific weight. So we know, we wrote it earlier, specific weight is gravity time, or density times gravity. So we already know gravity and we just saw for density. If you look in the textbook, it says that gravity is equal to 32.2, I believe. 32.2. Yeah, I'm going to go with that. Feet. Oh, I need to look at that. In the textbook, it says gravity is equal to 9.81 meters per second, or 32.2 feet per second squared, right? Then we just saw for this, so let's go ahead and do this. 3.3 slug feet cubed times 32.2 feet. Okay. So now we have that, but it's not going to give us the units we want, right? It wants us to do it in pounds force per cubic feet. So if you look on here, pounds force is, where is pounds force at? Right here, feet times pounds force. Convert from density here we go. So it says okay, so this one's kind of, we're gonna have to do extra steps. So we have this is what we're in right now, slugs per feet cubed. We want to convert it to pounds force. So to do that, we're gonna have to convert it from slugs per feet cubed to pounds mass per feet cubed, and then from there we can convert that to pounds force by this conversion right here. So I'll show you how this kind of looks. So we'll do 1 pound mass is equivalent to 1 slug 32.17 times okay, so we have that 1 pound's mass is equivalent to 1 slug over 32.17. So having this slug on the bottom, cancel these out, and then but we don't want pounds mass, we want pounds force. But the textbook doesn't give us a direct conversion rate, so we had to take an extra step here with the pounds mass. And then we want pounds mass, so then we're going to cancel out this pounds mass here. But then we're actually going to cancel out this unit right here too at the same time. So once we do that, we will get the units we want. We'll get that specific weight will equal 106.2. Thanks for watching, soldiers. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, leave it on the comments, and if you need help with any other problems, feel free to contact me with the email shown on the screen.